What's up guys, it's Carl Addict back with another video. In today's video I installed my carbon fiber spoiler. Now it's fake. It's a fake. I'm not even joking about that. It's plastic. I know it's not plastic. I forgot what material it is. It looks like it's carbon fiber and that is a trick for me. I really don't care if it's actual carbon fiber. But I'm very excited for that. You'll see the final results, but it just doesn't turn out good because like the car isn't complete. Like there's so much to do with the car and I just for me it doesn't look right. It looks good, but it doesn't look right. So I installed it, so I'm gonna show you guys everything. Like, comment, subscribe if you want. Let's go. Let's start from day one. Even the buddy is excited. Are you excited, Oakley? All right, guys, it is 9:30. I just got home. Look what came in the mail. The spoiler. So let's go ahead and open this. Bolts to go with it. I really hope it does. Okay, so it lied to me. It said it was a bolt-on, so I got excited. It's not a bolt-on. So they gave me the adhesive tape. Ooh. You know, how would this work though? I guess I'll go like this. At this point, I was super anxious because I didn't think it would fit, nor did I think the adhesive tape would stick properly. Okay. I guess I'm gonna figure this out tomorrow because I'm genuinely lost right now. Is it supposed to be this low? Let's hope so. Let's hope it's the right fit because I've been waiting a long time for this. You should be chilling, to be honest, so. All right, y'all, so it's a little bit dark right now, but make sure it fits my car because I'm excited. Ooh, y'all. Y'all, look how it's looking from like, guys, when this is actually installed, like, y'all can kind of get the vision, but ooh. Guys, so I've brought all my supplies out to the garage and now it's time to bring in the car. And this bad boy inside the garage, dude. One time this thing wanted to be loud. Y'all, look how clean she's looking. Look at that. All right, so here are all the things we need. So we need, of course, a spoiler. We need tape so we can line it up. Don't mind it, the dog ate it a little bit. Hopefully it still works. We need a cloth. Luckily it came with one. And then I just saw you need some like alcohol to clean it off. And then lastly, the adhesive tape. I'm iffy about it. I really hope it works. All right, let's start by like just wiping it off so that like I'm getting it cleaned up. And so it's already super dirty. Just put some on there. I'm probably gonna need a lot more. This is dirty car. All right, now that we have cleaned off the car as much as we could have, it's time to line up the tape or line up the spoiler on the car. This is my first time seeing it. Oh, the daytime. Once we actually perfect, should I have to dust off this part. Make sure it's all clean. I don't even know if we'll even do the tape method because I really don't know how to do it. That's perfect. Here's a little side view. Especially when we black out this badge. We figure out how to black out this too. Alright, so let's get started with the adhesive tape. It feels pretty, good. I really hope it's okay. I'm just hoping that this is cleaned off enough. We're just gonna start taping it on. All right, we have our first round of double-sided tape on, adhesive for for automotive. All right, so tape is on. Let's get to round 2. All right, I really don't know what's up with this tape, so we're gonna have to stop by Walmart and then finish it later. Alright guys, so it is a new day. I bought some adhesive tape from Walmart. I'll try to put it on my car right now. I have like 10 minutes to do this, so hopefully it's just, the tape is easy. Alright, sorry, I forgot to film me putting the spoiler on. Just know I got it on first try. I really didn't do much to it. I didn't even line it up. I just put it on and somehow it kind of seems lined up. Hopefully it is.